Today, we're going to be reviewing mean, median, and mode. These are things that you've learned in the past, but we just need to go over them again for the ERB. So I know I've got this when I can calculate the mean, median, and mode. So all of these things are the measures of central tendency. So the mean is the average of all the data. So you take it by adding up everything and dividing it by the total number of items that you have. The median is the middle number in an ordered set. So you have to put an order from least to greatest, and then it's the middle number. The mode is the number that occurs most often. It's possible for a data set to have no mode or more than one mode. It is sometimes desirable to be able to describe a set of data or set of numbers by a single middle number. Three such measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. So the first example, 7 students in a class conducted an experiment on how long is a minute. Each student was asked to close their eyes and tell their partner when they thought 1 minute was up. Their actual time was recorded below. So what was the longest time? 83 seconds. What was the shortest time? 36 seconds. Find the mean and see, and how many students took longer than the mean. Okay, so the longest time we said was Jesse at 83. The shortest time was Carmen at 36. Now we're going to find the mean. So we're going to add up all of those data points and divide it by the total, which there's 7 numbers, and the mean you get 57.6. So D says D said how many students took longer than the mean. So how many took longer than the mean? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 longer than the mean and 4 shorter than the mean. The median of an ordered set of numbers is the middle number. If the number of items is even, the median is the mean of those 2 middle numbers. So basically, if it's even, if you have an even amount of numbers, you take the average of the 2 center numbers. The mode is the set of numbers. The mode of a set of numbers is the number that occurs the most often. So it's possible for data set to have no mode or more than one. So example 2, find the median and mode of the following list of numbers. So write the numbers out in order. That's the first step to find the median. And then you look at the 2 middle numbers. So this has an even amount. So you take the average of those 2 numbers. So add them together, divide by 2, and you get 73.5. So that would be the median. The mode is the one that occurs the most often. So 79 is the mode. All right, here's some extra practice. So for the following data sets, find the mean, the median, and the mode. If necessary, round the mean to 2 decimal places. So again, let's just go over this one more time. The mean is the average. So you add them all up and divide them by how many numbers there are. The median, you put them in order from least to greatest and you choose the middle number. If there's an even amount of numbers, you average the 2 middle numbers and then that would be your median. The mode is the number that occurs most often. Sometimes you can have more than one mode or sometimes none at all. So go ahead and pause this and try A, B, and C. And the answers are listed at the bottom of the screen. So I know I've got this when I can calculate mean, median, and mode. Do you really understand? So what is the difference between the mean of a data set and the median? The mean is the average and the median is the middle of an ordered set. Is it possible for a data set to have more than one mode? Explain. Yes. If a data set has 2 or more items that occur more frequently than other items, but occur the same number of times, the data set will have more than one mode.